Your archives. Let's talk about your archives for a moment. When you have taken photos for a project, or even just for fun, and you download them onto your computer, you sort through them, find the ones that are most appealing, and then discard the rest, or at the very least, you set them aside, right? Well, first off, never delete any of your photographs, even if you don't think they're that interesting. In fact, get an external hard drive to store your photos. You don't want to fill up the hard drive on your computer, and you want your photos safe should your computer ever crash. Don't learn the hard way like I did. Now, back to your archives. What is not good today could be good tomorrow. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, months or even a year from now, you might look back at the rejected photos and see something new and something good. You will be viewing your photos from a fresh perspective and a new set of eyes, so to speak. When you're looking, you might even ask yourself, what was I thinking? Why did I cast these photos aside in the first place? There are some real gems here. For the past 7 years, I've been working on a photography book for London. Now, the process has been a long one, and not only because it took time to capture the photos, but also sorting through the photos, tens of thousands of photos. While sorting through these images, my eyes just get tired and everything starts to look the same. I make my photo choices, but when I return to those that I cast aside, I see something new and I see something good. My London project aside, I find this to be true of all of my photos. There is a time, however, when the process is exhausted. And you'll know when this happens. I guarantee it.